Hi friends, welcome to my channel Celebrity Points. Celebrity Points today present you Florida lifestyle and biography in this video. I hope you would like this video. Tamar Lassell Dillard, born September 17, 1979, better known by his stage name Florida, is an American rapper, singer and songwriter from Carol City, Florida. If you love Florida, stay tuned with us. Florida early life. Or name Tamar Lassell Dillard. Nickname Florida T. Dillard. Age Florida is currently 41 years old. Birth date September 16, 1979. Gender male. Sun sign Virgo. Born place Carol City, Florida, United States. Nationality American. Religion. His religious views aren't known. Hometown Florida. Florida education. After the completion of his high school studies, Florida got enrolled at the University of Nevada, Las Vegas, where he intended to study international business management. Turned to Miami and got enrolled at the Barry University. However, again he lasted in the university for around 2 months. Florida debut. First album. In March 2008, he released his debut studio album, Mail on Sunday. It reached #4 on Billboard 200. First film. Florida was seen in the mystery film The Next Hit in 2008. First TV show. In 2008, she made his first TV show appearance in the comedy talk show Howard Stern On Demand. Florida body. Florida built his body muscular. Height 6 feet 3 inch or 190.5 centimeter. Weight 92 kg or 203 lbs. Florida biography. Occupation: rapper, singer and composer. Manager: Florida is represented by IMG Records Strong Arm Management. Genre: hip hop, hip house, EDM, pop rap, R&B. Instruments: vocals. Labels: Atlantic Records, Poi Boy, Cash Money, International Music Group Strong Arm, brand endorsements. Florida single Enjoy All of It was used in a TV commercial for the breakfast cereal Live Original. Best known for being one of the best-selling artists of the modern period, he has sold more than 80 million digital records. The commercial success of his debut single Low, which remained at the top of US music charts for about 10 weeks. The single was certified platinum 8 times in US. The popularity of his international hits such as Weasel, My House and Good Feeling. Florida girlfriend. Phoenix White 2007-8. Florida started going out with model Phoenix White in December 2007. Vivica A. Fox 2009. In her April 2009 interview with Gossip, the actress Vivica A. Fox revealed that she had a crush on the Miami-based rapper Brenda Song 2009. Flo Rida was linked up with model and actress Brenda Song in May 2009 by the tabloids after she was spotted at this concert in Los Angeles. Brandy 2010. In the early months of 2010, Flo Rida was reported to be going out with recording artist Brandy. He was spotted at her birthday party in February. Eva Marcille 2010-11. In the summer of 2010, the Miami-based rapper started going out with actress and model Eva Marcille. They were first spotted together in June at the BET Awards 2010. Malaysia Foy 2011-12. Flo Rida started his volatile and on and off relationship with actress and model Malaysia Ford in early months of 2011. Darnell Nicole 2016-17. According to reports, Flo Rida started going out with model Darnell Nicole in October 2016. Flo Rida car. Flo Rida has a car, but correct car model is unknown. Flo Rida net worth. Flo Rida estimated net worth $30 million as of 2020. Flo Rida appearance. Color dark brown. Hair color. Previously, Flo Rida had black hair, now he is bald. Race ethnicity, black. He has African American ancestry. Distinctive features, tall and imposing body. Tattoos. Often wears a thick gold chain. Flo Rida family. Flo Rida parents' name is unknown. He was raised alongside 7 sisters. Flo Rida facts. Early in his music career, he was rejected by several big record labels, which forced him to look for jobs outside music to sustain himself financially. Flo Rida collaborated with energy drink company Celsius in 2014 to launch his exclusive range of pre-workout powders under the label of Flo Fusion. His debut single Low holds the distinction of being the first single to be digitally downloaded more than 5 million times. His single Right Round that was released in 2009 managed to garner more than 6 million digital downloads. Flo Rida has collaborated with his personal trainer to launch his exclusive cardio program by the name of FlowFit, which can be bought from their official website flowfit.com. While he was studying in the 9th grade, he became a member of the amateur rap group known as Groundhogs. They used to record at the underground studios in Carver Ranches. They later added another member to their group and performed for about 8 years. Florida House. Flo Rida is currently live in Miami, Florida, United States. Flo Rida favorite things. Favorite food, grilled chicken or grilled chicken Caesar salad. Favorite basketball team, Miami Heat. Flo Rida followers. Flo Rida Twitter followers 5 million plus. Flo Rida Facebook followers 16 million plus. Flo Rida Instagram followers 800,000 plus. Flo Rida YouTube channel subscribers 5 million plus.